Alright, so some of these, it kick it up a notch a little.
Let's start with the joke. Yeah, the joke. My life? Okay.
You're fine. Okay, good one. It's the whole find m, so x plus 1 is a factor
Are we supposed to write this down somewhere?
of, it might be beneficial to your mathematical career. I don't even know what's about to happen. I'm kind of excited. I like it when I don't know the answers or even how to do it.
What the?
And then I just try it in front of you and see what happens. Kind of a little bit of pressure.
So if we're trying to find m, do we just do it the same way that we did last time?
Yeah, you just do it the same way, except now I think it's going to get a little crazier.
Yeah.
It's going to be okay.
No, it's not.
So you would just set it up, -1. I'm going to leave some extra room. Put your coefficients in there, so 5, m squared, 2m, and negative. And then just do the synthetic division. And then whatever your remainder is, set it equal to 0.
Help me.
I don't think long division would.
Can you tell me how?
Oh, I know it would help, but could you do it?
I don't know, that'd be confusing.
Can you tell me how I write that normally?
We forgot the squared in the end.
Where?
That's where you first messed up.
It's m squared.
Okay.
So I'd go 5. -1.
Negative 5.
-5. So that's m squared minus 5. That's negative m squared plus 5. Ooh, what about here? What's going
You
to
just do it. It's going to be 2m minus m squared plus 5.
Negative m squared plus 2
Negative
m
m squared plus 2m plus 5.
And then you do
And then m squared minus 2m minus 5.
M minus 5. M squared
minus
minus
2m
2m
minus 8.
minus 8. That's not so bad.
Wait, so you
Now you
factor
factor.
the problem?
Now, yeah, there's going to be 2 answers. So you want your remainder to equal 0, so that that's a factor of that.
M minus 4 and
Can
m
we
plus
do that
2.
again now?
So m plus 2, m minus 4
Negative 2.
equals
Why'd
0.
you-
Oh, m. What? So m would equal 4 or negative 2.
So we can do multiple answers?
Yeah. Sweet. So why not? See? So that was about, I was about to give you that one when you were up here teaching me.
I could have done that.
No.
I think it would have thrown you for, should have done it.
For about 2 seconds.
Seen how you would have reacted.
It wouldn't eat negative 2 would equal
I would have frozen up, dude.
What?
You would have locked
Oh,
up
yeah,
like a
never
fish.
Mr. Dr. Professor
Okay,
That's Officer,
That's
Mr.
it?
Doctor, Professor Galen.
that's it for that.
That is Lieutenant.
Now you're going to hear about the rational root theorem.
Whatever that means.
What's wrong?
What are we doing?
The rational root theorem sucks. It does. That's exactly what I was going to say. It sucks. Here's why.
It's just not one of those tedious things.
It is a long deal.
Convoluted process?
With no shortcuts, I
If you
would
don't wipe the board, you lose.
Well, yeah, there is a couple shortcuts.
Well, let's learn.
I think I did this last year.
Algebra 2? Let's give a weird algebra 2 then.
Chelan is really advanced compared to the school.
Then why do you not know half the stuff?
Anywhere, I don't think rational root. Okay, so what the rational root theorem says is, if you have a polynomial, given any polynomial, the factors of the constant term divided by the factors of the leading coefficient will give you a list of all the possible rational roots of that polynomial.
English?
In English. It's better if I just do an example.
Yes.
So find all roots of
equation.
12x to the third plus 20x squared minus 21x minus 36.
Wait, say the what it is again?
Okay, hold on.
Wait, what's that on the, oh, 21.
So equals y or whatever, who cares? To do that, you would have to normally factor, right? Set it equal to 0 and factor, but that's not factorable.
Are you sure about that?
I don't-
Factor it.
If I try to group it, it's not going to work. 'cause
Yeah, you can't group it.
there's nothing I can pull out of those. And if there's nothing I can pull out of those, then it's not going to match up with those.
So do you do the division thing?
So here's, again, the factors of the constant term. You know what the constant term is?
It's the number with
That
the
one.
x's.
Divided by the factors of the leading coefficient,
So the x to the
which
third
is that one.
should be x times.
That is a list of all the possible rational roots.
Factors of,
Remember what rational means?
so
It's not
it's gonna be
fake.
negative 36 over 12?
Can be represented by a fraction.
So negative 36 over 12?
That's one of the possibilities.
Wait, so which one's the constant?
Two.
How many are there?
But how many possibilities are there?
Negative
How many
3?
factors of 36 are there?
1, 6 and 6.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
Oh.
6,
12,
7, 8, 9,
Wait, what?
18.
12.
12, 18, and 36. Those are all the possible factors of 36, right?
Well, we have to try all.
Divided by
12.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
And 12.
and 12.
Wait, which one's the?
Positive or negative. So how many are there? You can do 1 divided by 1, 2 divided by 1, 3 divided by 1, 4 divided by 1, 6 divided by 1, 9 divided by 1, 12 divided by 1, 18 divided by 1, 36 divided by 1, 2 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 6 divided by 2, 9 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2. There's your list of all the possible rational
Yeah, you're
roots.
not boys.
Why do we need that?
But there's
I'll let shortcut.
Why do we need to know this stuff?
Electrical engineering.
5 times 6, and then times that by 2.
Oh, wait, there's more. Please.
That's how many
Oh.
possible.
What will we
That's
use
how many
this
possible.
in?
Okay, but some of them repeat.
No?
Some of them repeat. Like 2 divided by 1 is the same as 4 divided by 2. So that narrows the list
So we
slightly.
Oh.
So,
Each one of them?
okay. So what you got to do, here's one of the shortcuts to narrow it down. This doesn't narrow it down much. It's called Descartes' rule of signs.
What? Descartes.
Some dude that figured this out like way before stuff like this was supposed to be figured out.
Why do people have to create math?
He says the number of positive roots, so this doesn't help much.
Literally all of them.
The number of positive roots is always less than or equal to the number of sign changes in the polynomial.
Explain in English, please.
So like this one has, it's positive, positive, one sign change stays negative. There's only one sign change as you move from left to right through this. So the number of sign changes is 1. That means the number of positive roots is 1 or 0.
Yeah.
So everything will either be, there might be one positive x-intercept or one positive root, but the rest are going to be negative. How many possible roots are there for this?
3.
3.
No.
3.
So each one of them are gonna have.
At this point, this is where the suck comes.
Oh, now we're
already happened.
Wait, it didn't happen before?
This is the.
Oh, that was the easy part. Now you just got to find one of the roots.
So you just.
So pick a number.
12.
12.
No, that's not how you do it.
Let's try 12.
Guess.
Well, doing it.
12,
This is against
20, negative 21, negative 36. And you just do synthetic division
For everyone.
Is that-
Until it comes out to 0, huh?
until it comes out to 0.
I would choose
12,
that.
144, 164, huge. Probably not going to be 12.
I choose that.
Well, we can narrow it down real quick though, because it's probably not going to be anything above 12 either.
Well then, so go that way then.
Go lower.
Three.
What's with the lower line?
What do you mean?
Yeah, what's with all those?
I could do 4/3.
Oh my god.
I could do 6/4, which is the same as 3/2. I could do 9/4.
Wait, we do the division, are those?
Yeah.
And then we do.
Here, look at it. Here's the.
Try
Let me
six.
show you this one.
Why?
The one that gave you the example out of the book here.
Do we have to do this?
Somebody tells me what they're not.
It's just gonna be one complement, but there's
Yeah, find all the roots.
I
Here, look at this one.
choose death.
So on this one they choose. Here's the problem. 8x to the 4th plus 30x to the 3rd minus 33x squared minus 164x minus 24. There's the possible roots.
Hello.
It's the factors of 24 divided by the factors of 8. Plus that's times 2 because they could all be positive or they could all be negative.
No, because they have the repeats.
So yeah, the repeats narrow it down to this.
Well, still.
This does make my life look like
It does.
So yeah, that's it. And then you just try to find one.
Yeah, how about?
That equals 0?
So we're not.
Bye.
You're not gonna use homework on that thing.
Yeah, your homework is that.
You said we were gonna have homework.
So our homework is the one that we're working on right now.
You swore on your.
Okay.
So no homework?
Homework.